Oh boy, I gotta get some peanuts. Sarah wants me to bring some peanuts home because she makes peanut soup. Whoa. Oh, I hate this seesaw. I know there's some peanuts up there. Oh, man. I love Sarah's peanut soup, so I gotta get her some peanuts. Alright, I'm gonna keep on trying. Wish the seesaw would keep moving. It's gotta stop. What am I gonna do? Alright, let me think about it. I know I can do it. Just go slow. Whoa. Alright, nice and steady now. Oh man, who put a lid on there? Now what am I gonna do? Once I get there, I gotta get the lid off. Oh man. Oh, the lid is still on there. Alright, I gotta think about this. Hey, Eric, I'll help you. It's me, Banana Bob. I'll get that lid off for you. Hey, watch this. See? Told you I could do it. Thanks for getting the lid off, Banana Bob. Whoa! Oh, man. Yow! That one hurt. Alright. I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm back. Alright, I gotta get the perfect peanut. Come on, Sarah's waiting for me. Alright. Gotta choose a good one. Gotta choose a good one. I think this one's perfect. Alright. I'm coming, Sarah. I'm coming. Peanut soup. Here I come.